How to cancel hotel in Agoda without credit card. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Agoda, or you can simply open it from your web browser. So let me head over to Google Chrome. Move into the site agoda.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll down and head over to the option My Bookings. It will redirect you to this page. Well, in this page, you'll find all the hotels that you have booked. Right now, you can see that there is no any hotels that I have booked. But for you, if you have already booked and you want to cancel it, then what you want to do is simply tap on the booked hotel. And just scroll down and you'll find the option of free cancellation. All you want to do is click on it. And then once again tap on cancel. Once you have cancelled, you will get a refund back. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to cancel hotel in Agoda without credit card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.